Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this video, I'll be going over ArboNet from the Centers for Disease Control, which is a very useful tool that anybody can use as long as you have the right instruction. And that's why I'm here to show you how to show not only human disease cases, which, as you can see, the darker green responds to higher incidence rates. Now, if we add in mosquito, and we could compare the mosquito with human, what they start doing is, in the disease cases, that human disease cases are in dark green, while non-human infections reported are in light green. Now, can anybody guess why non-human infections can be important? Well, if you said that it's important because of a lot of the mosquitoes and animals that may keep proliferating, like bird viruses too, then eventually the population and deforestation, everything will lead to leaping from animals to humans. So that's why non-human infections can be dangerous, and as we can see, some of the light green is non-human infections. In this case, mosquito. So instead of mosquito, if we examine bird, so let's see how the map draws itself. So it looks like we're clear. No, with bird, you do have a lot of non-human, some non-human diseases. More so, human diseases are coming from bird, as you can see. So this is important to keep into account. And non-human infections are also important to keep into account. So light green is non-human infections. Then we look at the sentinel animal rather than the bird. So it could be any area. So these are all human cases. With the sentinel animal in Florida, for instance, the sentinel animal is pretty high. But again, human diseases are quite high. And just looking at veterinary versus human. So again, human is in these areas, and then non-human, just all veterinary cases, there's more of. So I wanted to now go over some of these top areas, talking about West Nile virus to another virus